Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Elliot, aka Bourbon bartender and Food 52's resident drink expert. So as we get into the fall season, there are going to be a lot of moments to celebrate with family and friends, and batch cocktails are going to save a lot of time. So in this video, we're going to show you how to make a bourbon sour with a Honey-Plum syrup with Basil Hayden's bourbon, which is perfect for a larger group, especially because it's subtle, lighter bodied flavor profile, meshes so well with a lot of ingredients, and it's easy on those new to drinking whiskey. So let's get to it. So this bourbon sour with Honey-Plum syrup incorporates Basil Hayden's bourbon, which is a high rye, low proof bourbon, which is perfect for either sipping or making cocktails. It incorporates fresh lemon juice, a Honey-Plum syrup, and some aromatic bitters. So when you're thinking about batching it for a larger group, in this case 5 people, what you want to do is just multiply the individual ratio of each ingredient for a single serving by the amount of cocktails that you're looking to serve. So in this case, it's 5 total. So you're gonna start off with 1.5 ounces of Basil Hayden's bourbon per cocktail, in total 7.5 ounces. Next, you're gonna measure out a 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice, or 2.5 ounces total. Next up, measure out 1/2 ounce per cocktail, or a total of 2.5 ounces of your Honey-Plum syrup. Lastly, you're gonna add about 6 to 8 dashes of your aromatic bitters directly into the pitcher. So now that we got all the ingredients incorporated into this pitcher, I want to talk to you a little bit about dilution. Now, when you individually shake or stir a cocktail, you're not only chilling the drink, but you're also introducing water to dilute. In this case, we haven't incorporated any water. So instead of adding ice directly to the pitcher, my preference is to add directly to the batch cocktail. Now, a general rule of thumb is to add 20% of the overall volume of the drink. So in this case, I'm gonna be incorporating about 2.5 ounces of water directly into the pitcher. And the whole goal there, again, is to promote balance. So now that we got this cocktail all batched up and pre-diluted, it's ready to serve over ice. As you can see, this is a great cocktail to batch up, and you can bring it to your upcoming get-togethers, and you can find the full recipe at food52.com. Cheers, guys.